Hey everyone, a great YouTube thumbnail can make the difference between someone clicking your video or scrolling right past it. The good news is that Canva makes it easy to create eye-catching thumbnails, even if you've never designed one before. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Canva step by step. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Canva account. Then type YouTube thumbnail into the search bar or click Create a Design and choose the YouTube thumbnail format. Canva will open a canvas that's already sized for YouTube. Next, browse through Canva's collection of thumbnail templates and choose one that matches your video's topic. Whether you're making gaming, tutorial, tech, travel, or educational content, you'll find plenty of layouts to customize. Yeah, starting with a template can save you a lot of time. Now edit the template by replacing the sample text with your own title or hook. Then swap out the placeholder images with your own photos, screenshots, or graphics. I mean, your thumbnail should instantly tell viewers what the video is about. Use Canva's editing tools to change the fonts, colors, backgrounds, icons, and effects. Try using bold text, high contrast colors, and clean layouts so your thumbnail stays easy to read, even on smaller screens. Before downloading, zoom out and look at the thumbnail at a smaller size. Yeah, this helps you see whether the text is readable and whether the main subject stands out clearly. Make any final adjustments before exporting. Once everything looks good, click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG for the best image quality or choose JPG if you prefer a smaller file size. Save the thumbnail to your computer and it's ready to upload to YouTube. And that's how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. With the right template, bold text, strong visuals, and a clean layout, you can create thumbnails that grab attention and encourage more viewers to click your videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see